Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2019 Elantra. So if your Elantra look like this, or if it look like that on the inside, it's gonna be the same procedure to change a cabin air filter. So let's get to it. Alright, so your cabin air filter is located inside here behind the glove box, so you're gonna have to come inside the glove box. You want to twist this knob right here and take it out. Twist the other one, take it out, and then you can take time and let the glove box hang down a little bit, and it will give you access to this right here, which gonna be your door for your cabin air filter. So go ahead and squeeze this right here, squeeze this over here. So you want to squeeze them on both sides. Keep on falling down, I'm trying to show you. So squeeze it on both sides. I think the light too bright. So you want to squeeze it on both sides, just like that, and pull backwards. Once you pull backwards, you will see your cabin air filter. So you want to mark to which way the airflow goes. So if the airflow say up, so keep it up. If you say down, keep it down. So you just want to hold it and pull back on it. After you pull on it, you can see that it's working. So you wanna just get rid of it because it's real dirty, as you can see. What you can do is try to match it up, make sure it's the same size. Seems to be the same size. So you can see the arrow where the airflow goes right over here. We get this one. So our airflow is supposed to be going up, so we want to make sure it's up like this and set it the way it fits. And what you can do if you want your car to smell good, you can get some air freshener, spray it on this, and then push it in, and it will smell sweet every time you turn the AC on. Go ahead and get this right here and lock it back into place, just like that. Once that is done, you can raise up the glove box and hold it at a spot, and then you want to get your knob and twist it the opposite way from which you take it out. So you just want to find the sweet spot to where it goes in, and after that, guys, that's it. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.